Ang isi-share ko is talagang expectation versus reality. Hopefully, i-explain nyo ng maigi. Huwag nyong i-concentrate yung mind nyo sa pera na makukuha nyo. Kasi, babalik at babalik sa inyo yan. Hi guys! Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, meron na naman tayong new video, which is a haul video and a little bit of product review as well. So, lately, we're doing a lot of product reviews, and without further ado, let's hop into the video of our unboxing, haul, plus review. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, magsimula tayo sa Shopee. So, all the links will be listed down below. If ever, meron akong nakalimutang banggitin dito sa video na to, all the prices will be in the link below as well. So first, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo, meron na akong nagawang, gusto ko lang to. Guys, by the way, this is not a bragging video. At least, kung meron man lang kayong nakita na helpful dito, at least nakatulong ako. So, ito pala siya guys, itong Sonic Facial Brush. I got this from Shopee. It cost $263, $236. Lagay ko na lang dito yung price. Ang review nito, if meron man, if mauna man yung review nito or review ko, ilalagay ko sa description box. So, ano siya guys? Ito siya. Facial cleansing brush to siya. Silicone facial cleansing brush. Next, from Shopee ulit, I got from Bello Essentials, which is the Kojic Liquid Soap and the Kojic Liquid Lotion. Para siyang buy one, take one. Ito siya. Bello Tranexamic Kojic acid plus tranexamic acid extra moisture for nourished white skin. So, I will be updating to you after ko to magamit ng 9 days, then after 1 month para naman meron akong ma-share na result for you. And ito yung buy one take one din. Ito Bello Beauty Essential Beauty Sale. This one is under SPF 30 and this cost, buy one take one siya, and yung dalawa, it cost 215 pesos. And this one naman, 199 pesos. Original price niya is 320. And yung lotion naman, original price is 430. So, nakatipid kayo ng 50% off. Especially pag binili nyo to on sale. And then, ito yung sa Shopee. And then next is yung sa Watson. So, this one is the Pure Cleansing Oil. I will be making a review for this. This is makeup remover. Maganda to. It removes waterproof makeup effectively. So, we're going to try this out. And this costs 349 pesos pala guys. And I will be updating to you soon with this. And next is makeup na naman sa Sales Lady na ano. So, ang laman niya is we have here Big Volume Sales Lady Eyelash Mascara. And this one is the eyeliner waterproof, smudge proof, and long lasting. Ita-try natin kung long lasting ba talaga siya. And the Says Lady Cosmetics Tinted Brow Gel, smudge proof, long lasting, and waterproof. Ito yung excited ako na i-review for you guys. Excited ako kasi ano talaga siya, smudge proof, long lasting, and waterproof. Yung last na ni-review natin na waterproof, hindi siya nakapasa sa atin. So, I hope that this will work. So, kasama sa packaging niya sa Sales Lady is meron siyang free na, meron siyang ito, pang brows at saka brushes na kasama. So, dalawang brush. So, this is a set and maraming set ang Sales Lady guys. Sales Lady, Sales Lady. So, this set cost, I will be placing it here kasi nakalimutan ko. And don't worry, meron na namang mga links na ilalagay ko sa baba. And last but not the least, ang isi-share ko is talagang expectation versus reality. So, i-share ko to sa inyo kasi baka naman meron dyang naka-experience nito and I wanted to know if meron kayong na-experience katulad nito rin. So, this one is from, tchadan! I got this guys, to be exact, teka muna, tingnan ko. So, okay guys, I think this is the main highlight of this video. So, I don't know if kumuha kayo nito, isa to siyang loading company, which is, ito siya. Hindi ko na lang babanggitin, basta bumili ako ng package nito. That inclusion, ilalagay ko dito. So, if ang binayaran ko is 3,998, and then pinadala ko siya sa Mlolier, mga almost 4,000 plus the fee. So, pinadala ko siya July 8 kasi meron akong resibo. And then, what happened is, I was na-activate yung SIM ko kasi, ano yun eh, yung, ano ba yun? Yung package ng dito na sinabi nila, dealer na package 3998, 1K pad cellphone, free initial 404 load wallet, dealer SIM card, free 50 SIM activation, loading guidelines brochure, free tarpaulin and paper bag, personal web account, 8 ways to earn, 24/7 help desk. So, yun ang nakalagay sa package nila. And I availed it kasi naisip ko kasi, load ako ng load kasi wala nga internet dito. We're just using prepaid Wi-Fi. So, naisip ko na why not, instead na paload ako ng paload, ako na lang yung maglo-load sa akin, makakatipid pa ako. So, I decided to get this package, and then later on, siguro kasi kilala ko naman din sila. And then, lo and behold, expectation versus reality, I was trying to follow up for the package na sinabi nila na ibibigay sa akin. But then, ang binigay nila is yung load, tapos inactivate yung SIM ko. Meron akong load na 1,000. And then, I was trying to follow up for the, ano ba yun, yung package na sinabi nilang inclusion. But then, wala pa rin kasi nga delay, maraming orders from Manila, ganon. And then, because of the pandemic, and so, follow up ako ng follow up. So, yun na nga, dumating sa akin yung, ito, dumating siya, take note, August 28. Binayaran ko siya, January, February, March, April, May, June, July 8. So, almost 2 months. Kasi August 28 ko siya natanggap. Yun nga, August 28. I-check ko ulit. No, not August 28, sorry, August 26. So, 1 month mahigit, almost 2 months na talaga. And then, I was trying to tell them, asan yung phone na sinabi dito, na inclusion, misunderstanding, expectation versus reality. Kasi ang expectation ko, meron akong small na phone, parang ibibigay ko kung sino may yung gusto kong bibenta ng load. Kasi malayo kami sa main road. So, I was expecting na meron yung small phone, tapos SIM card, i-activate 50 SIM card. Ang nandito pala, pwede akong makapag-activate ng 50 SIM cards as a dealer. And then, yung phone pala, yun pala binigyan daw, ang sinabi sa akin kasi na meron nito, pero nung natanggap ko na, sinabi ko, why is it walang phone, walang SIM card, and then sabi niya, yung SIM card, 50 SIM card activation, ako na yung mag-activate, so wala palang physical na 50 na SIM, and then wala ring phone, kasi daw, binigyan na ako ng load ng 1K. So, yung binayaran ko na yung load na 1K, yun nga, 3,998, and then meron na akong phone, meron na akong nabigyan na ako ng load. Naguluhan na ako ng slight, and I was expecting na, kaya ako fina-follow up yun kasi I was expecting na meron akong phone at meron akong SIM, meron akong tarpaulin and all of the guidelines. Pero yung natanggap ko siya, ito paper bag, and yung mga brochure at saka tarpaulin, ito, walang phone. And the person said na, okay lang, ako na lang daw bibili ng phone, mas mura pa. So, mas nakatipid daw ako sa aking 3,998 for this papers and paper bag plus load. So, yun lang. Naguluhan ako ng slide. But I don't know. Hopefully, next time, if merong bibili sa inyo, if dealer kayo or ano kayo, hopefully, i-explain nyo ng maigi. Huwag nyong i-concentrate yung mind nyo sa pera na makukuha nyo. Kasi, babalik at babalik sa inyo yan. Though hindi ko ganong na-understand kasi ang understanding ko iba yung narating sa akin, and I was expecting something, but then iba yung dumating sa akin. Silbi siya kasi ikaw ba naman nagbayad ka ng 3,998 tapos parang ikaw pa yung follow-up, parang beg ka ng beg ba na nasa na yung package ko, nasa na yung package ko, because I was expecting na merong phone at saka yung mga SIM card kasi nga ibibigay ko to someone na pwedeng makapag-sell ng load instead of me kasi ang habol ko lang naman makatipid ako ng load. And lo and behold, okay naman siya. So far, I'm super blessed kasi maganda naman yung meron namang nagpapaload sa akin, and maganda din if makaka-help tayo. So, just ang advice ko lang sa mga dealer na ganito, just be transparent of your dealings, no? Be transparent and be honest kasi not all the time, alam ko na marami na kayong pera, but then hopefully, hindi naman lahat ng tao maraming pera, marami ring nagtitipid. If you really wanted to help, explain nyo ng maigi kung ano yung makukuha. Hindi ba't explain nyo na later. Dapat nung nag-avail na time na yun, explain nyo ng, wag nyong i-persuade, wag nyong i-clickbait, or wag nyong parang makuha nyo lang ang trust ng tao. Kailangan nyo talagang, I don't know if you get my point, explain mo ng maigi from the start ba, not on the end na, kasi ganun, ganito. Kasi, I was asking a lot of times, asa na yung package ko, but then, hindi direct ba? Every time ako nagtatanong na nasan yun, parang pinupunta ko sa ibang topic. So, ayoko nang ganun. So, lesson learned, hopefully, hindi na mangyayari din sa iba. If bibili rin kayo, make sure na, kulitin nyo. Kahit kakilala nyo. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hindi naman ako nag-rant. Maganda naman ang company na to, but then siguro, yung ako lang talaga, kasi super OZ ako when it comes sa mga ganito. Natatakot din ako sa mga network marketing. And alam ko maraming naging mayaman dyan, pero hopefully, you're not going to focus on money, but focus on the person na nakuha nyo, and focus on the person na kung gusto nyo talagang tumulong, no? Wag namang mag-take advantage, okay? So, pareho lang tayong tao, and God bless you all. So, bye-bye for now. See you soon in the next video. Sarang he. Thank you for watching.